Hi guys, this is Golden Girl, your VIP affiliate in South Africa and currently a bronze director. I just want to make a special, this broadcast is specifically to thank my dear friends and my dear partners in Karatbars from the Gold Standard Group. Because in life, you have to have those friendships that you value, those friendships that you grow together in the business. So this is one of the reasons why I love Karatbars and I love Mr. Harvey, because they have created a community where we can meet new people, where we can start networking with people even in our community and the gold community, so that we grow together. So this one is a special special appreciation to the Gold Standard Group, specifically Dr. Harvey. Thank you so much for inviting me on the call, inviting me on the Monday night conference call, which was incredible. It was lovely for me to actually share my Karatbars story and testimony on your platform. It was really incredible, and I really want to make a special mention also to Mr. Lucky Rico, or Mr. Rico Cunningham. So thank you so much. Even the preparations prior to the meeting on Monday at 8 p.m. EST, which was 3 a.m. my time, or 3 a.m. African time. It was really incredible to converse with you guys. I really appreciate the platform that you gave me to share my story, and I'm glad that it really touched a lot of people, and it really revived some move, because even the feedback that we get from the people who were connected in the call, they learned something. They learned something. Even as I continue to share the link to the broadcast, I really love that. Even in my team, it brought back some revival, which is good, because I always say that in Karatbars we evangelize, we share the good news, the good golden news. So I love that, hearing stories from real people, because if I were somebody else, if when I was starting out, I also thought these people who share their stories are simply people who maybe they're paid or something, paid actors or something like that. But it was really incredible that you guys gave me a platform to actually share my personal story, my personal success story in Karatbars, and for that I'll forever be grateful. And I say I cannot wait to feature back in the meetings whenever I'm available, because you know that with the time constraints, 3 a.m. It's not child's play, but because I don't tolerate excuses in my business, whenever there is an opportunity, I will definitely love to come back. And I really appreciate, and I say just something that I said in the call. If you didn't listen to the call, I will send the link. Just click below, you'll find the link that has the rebroadcast to that call, so you'll have everything that was discussed on Monday evening or Tuesday morning if you're in South Africa, and then you'll get the golden nuggets that were shared there. What is one thing that I said there is that there will always be negative news. There will always be negative news. You'll always hear those no's at times, because you cannot expect yeses all the time. Then it means that you're not growing, or you're not dealing with a business that is growing actually. So there will always be negative news, there will always be controversies and whatnot. But I say, preserve your hearing for constructive and information that will actually help you build your team. It's no point hearing news that are complaints and things that are not helping anyone. It's no use. It doesn't do anybody any good. It's simply alienating people, and it's bad if it's done by Karatbars affiliates. So all I can say is that in 146 countries and counting, Karatbars is a success, and we keep on sharing those those success stories, and we bring in the community bigger and bigger. So you have a choice. You either sync with those who are complaining and who are not doing anything about their business, or you either rise above those controversies and start working your business, and then it will start paying you. So I hope you will start getting more golden nuggets, especially on Wednesdays. So for now, this was just for that broadcast. I should thank the Gold Standard Group. Thank you guys. I can't wait to see you very soon. Thank you.